Hello beautiful people! Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook something super easy and something that can even replace any kind of salsa or mayonnaise or even salt you can ever imagine. I discovered this 3-ingredient salsa with a friend who got it from her father, who for sure got it from a long lineage of ancestors. Well, it made such an impression, I decided to call this salsa with the name of the girl who made it for the first time in front of me, Rayuelita. So this is the salsa Rayuelita. For this salsa, you are going to need some garlic, some parsley, and extra virgin olive oil. I cannot believe it is so simple. It doesn't even have salt or any spices or anything in it, yet absolutely breathtaking. Actually, it's breathtaking because it has garlic. So if you're not a fan of garlic, you are not going to like the salsa. Sorry. I'll try to do another one, like another very easy salsa option that doesn't have garlic. But for those who love garlic, like me, I'm a Mediterranean, this is going to be the salsa you are going to put everywhere. Your veggies are a little stale, your steamed broccoli don't have any flavor. This is going to be the X factor. So first thing first, you are going to need a recipient. So I have a beautiful glass jar. I prefer glass, honestly. I don't like my things to be so much in plastic. I have plastic Tupperwares, but I try to put my things particularly with oil in glass because the oil takes a little bit of the plastic particles and it's not so good for your health. So let's find the biggest cloves of garlic we have and we just peel the garlic. So the little thing I do with garlic, a little trick, is to peel easily your garlic cloves, you put them in the fridge. Right now they're not in the fridge because I just bought them, but I usually put them in the fridge and I peel them super easily afterwards. It really saves valuable minutes in your cooking time. So you're gonna mince this clove garlic quite fine, but not that fine, because I tried it and it didn't work that well. The little pieces have to be like small but not puree. You put your garlic in the jar and then you take a little piece of parsley and you do the same. You mince it, but don't mince it too small. Again, I tried and it doesn't work. I tried every version of this salsa and the best version is the original Rayuelita version. By the way, yeah, her name is Maria del Rayo and we call her Rayuelita. Once you have your little bunch of parsley, I put usually like a big clove of garlic for a handful of parsley. You might have very irregular shaped parsley leaves. You put them together, you submerge everything in olive oil. Olive oil is going to absorb the flavor of the garlic and the parsley and it's going to be the best salsa, I don't know what to call it, condiment you've ever tasted. It is preservative free, sodium salt free, everything free, with no toxic ingredient whatsoever, no sugar added, anything, and it goes with absolutely everything. Trust me, I tried it. So this is approximately the amount of parsley and garlic I put in there. I always try to submerge everything in olive oil because I want everything to macerate. And well, afterwards you can add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cloves. You can fill this whole jar. And anyways, you can keep it in the fridge during a long time. It's not going to go bad, but I think you're going to eat it before it goes bad, trust me. I hope you liked this little recipe and I hope it's going to be a game changer for your cooking because seriously, I put this with everything, even tuna fish or sweet potatoes or avocado. It's absolutely amazing. And I love this salsa because I have this
little addiction situation addiction?
I love mayonnaise. I don't know why. I used to hate it, and then I went to Japan to visit my brother, and he told me that mayonnaise was created by Japanese, and I had to add mayonnaise on my okonomiyaki, and I loved it. Now I'm so addicted. I don't eat a lot of mayonnaise, but I always see it in the back of the fridge, and I'm like, no, this time no, but tomorrow maybe. This salsa was a rehab for my mayonnaise addiction. I hope it is going to be a game changer for you guys as well. And please tell me if you don't like garlic. I will do another version, maybe kind of a tofu mayonnaise or something. This is very easy. So tell me in the comment if you like garlic, if you tried the salsa, and of course tag me on Instagram because I love to see your results on Instagram. And I think it's motivating for everybody because you do your recipe, I give some love, you're like, yeah, I'll do it again, I'll do some more videos.
And it's a virtuous circle.
So I see you next week and I send you much gluten-free love and light. Bye!